Okay, guys.
So
So
where we'll
myself,
get this recording after this?
yes,
After
I've
this,
been recording. Okay.
okay. No, no. Where we'll get
So
this recording after the
I will
session?
at the end I will explain. Okay, everything.
Okay.
Okay, where you can able to find this recording, how you can able to view it, and how you can able to install the tool. Also, I will guide. Okay, step by step.
Yeah. Okay.
So guys, I kindly request. I will give you some time. Okay, to unmute yourself and to speak. And if you have no doubts, also I will give the time. Okay. After completing the PPT, I'll give some time to clarify the doubts, and after the completing the tools, also I will give some time to ask your doubts. Okay. So before learning the tool, okay, first I will give the brief about the PPT. Okay. So what is the tool? How many tools are there in the market? I will just give the brief. Okay. So you may able to see the screen now.
Yes.
Right. And guys, if my voice is breaking or else if it is you are unable to hear means just unmute yourself and speak. Okay. Because there is a internet connectivity issue. That's why. Okay. You can able to unmute. Okay. At that time, if you are not able to hearing anything means okay. Okay, guys. Before jumping to the tool, I will just give the overview of the PPT, everything, okay? How many types of tools are there in the market? What is the actually the Tableau? How many types of Tableau tools we have? I will guide, okay? So let me jump into this thing. So before learning the Tableau, first we need to know about this core and supporting responsibilities of a BI, guys. Okay? Core, core and supporting, okay? As a business analyst, okay? Tableau, learning the reporting tools or learning any visualization tool, everything comes under this supporting responsibilities, okay? And the core and the prime responsibilities means as a business analyst, you've been doing the activities, project completion. You need to communicate with the stakeholders to gather the requirements. You need to apply some of the elicitation techniques, and then you need to prepare the different documentations like BRD, FRD, SRS, RTM. So this can be your core responsibilities. Along with this thing, you need to prepare some of the screens and pages also, okay, for the application. Mostly, this will be your prime responsibilities, okay, you've been doing. And also in this core course, you've been learning this core responsibilities, okay. Additionally, if you want to add any weightage to your profile means, okay, any additional things you want to enhance your new skill set, everything means you can able to learn this reporting and visualization tools, okay. That can be the supporting. Means mostly you have
Stop.
this core responsibilities only. Additionally, if you want to perform any other activity task means, okay, we need to learn these tools, okay. See, as a business analyst, the supporting responsibilities of a BR report generation. Report generation means just by using this visualization tools or else Excel also we can able to create the reports, right? So by using the Excel or else by using the Power BI or else by using this Tableau, just creating some of the charts and dashboards, okay. So this can be the supporting responsibility. Mostly these supporting responsibilities are the prime responsibilities for the data analyst. Okay. Data analyst is going to do these things, report generation, everything. But as a as a business analyst, at least we need to have some idea, right? About the creation, how will be the flow, everything. So that's why. Data analysts are going to prepare the everything. They're going to analyze everything and they will create the charts and they will submit to us. Okay. For the client, we need
So
to
someone is
explain the
speaking, sir.
report, okay? 1 minute. Okay. Okay. So mostly data analyst are the guys who been analyzing all the data, okay? He will perform all the calculations, he will create the charts, everything, okay? And he will submit to us, okay? The end report, the end report we need to explain to the client, okay? About the flow, what will be the use case of this thing. By having those, seeing those report, what are the inputs we will get? These things we need to explain to the BA, okay? So this can be the supporting BS, okay? So these are the some core and supporting responsibilities of the BA and the differences, okay? And 1 minute, guys. Just a minute. It has been closed in the PPT. Okay. So coming to this, what is BA means? Simply, BA means business intelligence, guys. Okay. In this business intelligence, we can able to have the hmm, inputs. Okay. If you want to take any better decision making for the organization, or else if you want to get some additional instance, we need to use this BA, okay, business and see, it is the combination of business analytics. So business analytics, data mining, data visualization, data tools, like combining everything, we can able to consider this in a BI, okay. So business analytics means all the business research, business analysis, some forecasting, everything will be included in this business. Data mining means in detail analyzing all the data about the different segments, okay. And data visualization means just creating these charts, reports, okay. By having those, creating the charts and reports also, we will get some insights, okay, by viewing. So these things can be the BA, okay. So why this business intelligence means, okay. So it helps the organizations, okay, to take the better decision makings. Why we need to have this more data driven decision means it will benefits our organization, okay. So if the organization or the corporate office have been lagging on any market trends means, by having this business intelligence, we can able to forecast the things, okay. So we can able to take some more effective, better decision making, okay. So this will be the beginning. So in the Tableau, we will learn these things, okay? How to create these things. So here we have some of the benefits of the BI tools are data visualization. Means just creating the charts, visuals. Why we need to create the charts? Simple. If you're seeing any raw data means, okay, we can't able to get some better decision makings, okay? So it is very difficult to understand the data also, because data analyst, everything can be easily understand. But if you see in simply the raw data means it takes time to understand, okay. But if you see about any visual means, suddenly we will get an idea, na? But comparing to the raw data, if you see any charts means, okay, it will strengthen our mind, and we can able to simply understand the charts also, okay, by comparing. That's why we need to create the charts. So this is one of the data visualization. Okay. And fast, accurate reporting. So by using these BI tools, we can able to generate the most accurate and fast reportings and dashboards. Okay. So by having the raw data, and we can able to get the most valuable insights. Okay. So which can be effective for this companies. Okay. So better decision making can be taken by this BI tools. So competitive analysis, we can able to compare from the both the organization's perspective, or for else two competitors. Okay. So if you do in this competitive analysis, we can able to compare the needs, everything. So better data quality. So by this is also one of the tool, because we can able to have the better data quality, okay. Because by this BI tools, we can able to clean our data, okay. Simply, if you clean our data means on the clean data, we can able to use that cleaning data means, okay. We can able to create some accurate reports and charts, okay, and increased customer satisfaction. So if you simply showing any raw data means, okay, raw data means I'll show you just in your Excel, you've been having the spreadsheet, everything. Na? That can be the raw data, okay, not clean and everything. So if you create any charts and if you've been presenting to the clients means, okay, he will understand more, okay, by showing the raw data and visualization. So visualization will increase the more satisfaction for the customer, okay. They can able easily understand the things, and we can able to identify the market trends, and we can by identifying these market trends, we can able to forecast the needs for our company, okay, by analyzing the things. So these are the some of these benefits of the BA tools. Still there are a lot of have, these are the some basic ones, okay. And coming to this business intelligence means tools are in the market. We have the different types of tools. Okay, Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, Oracle. Tool we have Zoho, Binance, Dundas BI. We have SAP, Sinsets. These are the some of these business intelligence tools available in the market. Okay, so in this session we will be learning this Tableau, guys, and also some upcoming awareness sessions. We will learn this Power BI also. Okay, so from the COPD, we've been explaining this Power BI and Tableau. Okay. So today in this session, I will guide you how to install these tools and where you can able to practice also. Okay. Where you can able to find the free data sets. I will guide you. Okay. So we will learn today this thing. Okay. Okay. And coming to this Tableau, guys. So Tableau, in simple words, Tableau is a report. And visualization tool. Okay, so Tableau is the business intelligence and data visualization tool. Why data visualization tool means we can able to get the better insights from the data. Okay, why we are getting the better insights means so by using those data better, we can able to take the better decisions. Okay, so which can be useful for the company's growth. Okay, and we can able to find the hidden trends also. By having this hidden trends, we can able to forecast the things. Okay, for better growth, and we can able to make the business decisions. Okay, better business making decisions. So this is the something about the Tableau. So this Tableau is also simplifying raw data. See, already I have been said now the raw data, we can able to use those things, and we can able to create. If you've been creating any charts means it is easy for us also understanding. Okay, so it is simplifying the data. And Tableau helps to create the data can be understood by the professionals at any level in the organization means we no need to have the more technical knowledge. Okay, even though if you have the basic knowledge about how to use this tool means we can able to use it. Okay, because any level of the professional can able to understand the tool. Okay, same like in Excel only, but here we have the some of the features everything by comparing to those things. And Tableau allows non-technical users also create a customize. See, we no need to have the in detail technical knowledge, guys. Okay, just if we have the knowledge about the drag and drop that to options, if we have some basic knowledge about the functionality of the feature means okay, easily we can able to customize and create the charts. Okay, see, in the even in every company we've been using the Excel, right? Even we don't need to have the deep knowledge about the Excel. Na? Same. Even though we don't have the knowledge, simply we've been using the Excel, we've been creating the charts, everything. Na? Same like in Tableau also. Okay. Just if you have the basic understanding about the tool means it's fine. Okay. You don't need to have the deep knowledge. If you want to have the deep knowledge on the tool means okay, we need to know about the calculation part, everything. Okay. As a business analyst, the basic knowledge it's fine. Okay, while learning this tool. And data analysis is very fast with the Tableau. Okay, so we can able to analyze everything in by comparing to the other tools, it will be create the more accurate, and we can able to analyze very fast. Okay, so and also creates are in the from the dashboards and worksheets. So if you want to create any dashboards means in the worksheets we can able to create the things. Okay. Okay. And here some of the best features of the Tableau are data blending. So by this Tableau, okay, guys, we can able to data blend. Okay. Here data blending means we can able to have the data from the multiple data sources. Okay. Like SQL, like any databases from different databases, we can able to load the data and we can able to combine it. Okay. See, this is the so from the multiple data sources we can able to get the extract the data and we can able to use it. Okay, this is one of the best feature of the Tableau. And real-time analysis is okay already, this is help for the better growth. Okay, and collaboration of the data. Okay, data collaboration is the process of gathering and sharing. See, from the not only about the single source. Okay, in the Tableau we have the multiple data sources, everything from the different data connectors or else data sources we can able to have extract the data, and we can able to customize the things. Okay, we can able to create the charts and reports and dashboards. Okay, so these are the some best features I will show you in the tool also how you can able to extract the things. Okay, And Tableau can be classified into the two sessions, guys. Developer tools and this sharing tools. Okay. So developer tools means, okay, we need to create the charts, dashboards, visuals, everything. Okay. So if you are creating anything means we need to use this developer tool. Okay. So the developer tools are again divided into the two parts. Okay. Tableau desktop and Tableau public. Okay. So both are the same only, but this Tableau desktop is the paid version. So companies been using these things, okay? Because it's a paid version and it's a security version, okay? We have the more security on the things, and also we have the multiple connectors, okay? Different data sources we have. From the multiple things, we can able to extract the data. But the Tableau public is the free version, guys. Anybody can able to use it, okay? In case anybody can able to, they can able to see their different charts from the different user also, okay? They can able to download it and they can able to practice it, okay? So this will be the paid version and the Tableau public is the free version, okay? But functionality of the tool both are the same only it is the security one, because data can be not be leak, okay? But in the Tableau public, anybody can able to download the data and they can able to use it, okay? But for the practice purpose only now we've been using. So this Tableau desktop is provided by these companies, okay? So they will pay the purchase these things and they will give the license, okay? So in this session we've been using this Tableau public, okay? So I will guide you how to install these tools, and in the Tableau public also we have the desktop version and web version, okay? So on the both you can able to practice if you create an account means. I will guide you also this thing. So we will be using this Tableau public, guys, today. And these are the developer tools. And the sharing tools are like simply we can able to share. If you want to share your reports and dashboards means, by the sharing tools we can able to share the things, okay? So the things which we've been creating here, the dashboards, those can be, if you want to share means, okay, we need to use the sharing tools, okay? So the sharing tools are Tableau Online. This online also the public version, like and similar to the public version, okay? The dashboards which we been created now, directly we can able to share in the online, okay? And we have this server and reader also. So in the server, we directly we can able to, in case if you want to customize also means the dashboards we can able to. But in the reader only, we can able to read the dashboard only, okay? We can't able to customize it. These are the different categories of the tools we have in this Tableau. See, it is the whole Tableau suite. So desktop. Desktop is the paid version, guys. Okay. On this desktop also, again, we have the two. Tableau public desktop, Tableau paid one. Okay. So we've been using the public version only. So public also we have the public desktop and the public online. Okay. Public online is the web URL. Okay. So it is the paid one. It is the free version. Okay. Anybody can able to view, use it. Online we have, this is the similar to the public only. Server means just it's like a sharing tool, guys. These two are, so mostly organizations will be using these things, okay? So reader means just we can able to only view and we can able to check the reports only, okay? Simply we can't able to customize the things, even though we can't able to customize, okay? Only for the viewing the purpose only we have, okay? So these are the some of the Tableau different tools, okay? So here in this session, we will learning this Tableau public na. I will explain, okay? So Tableau public is the pay free version, guys, okay? Anybody can able to download it and they can able to use it, okay? So in the Tableau public version, the company's data we can't able to use, okay? Because it is less than the security, okay? Anybody can able to download our data and they can able to use it, okay? So while using the Tableau, we don't add any company's data, okay? In the online, we can able to have the different data sets. By using the free data sets, we can able to use it, okay? But company's data don't use in the Tableau public, okay? Because it is less in security. Anybody can able to download our data, okay? See, there is no privacy to the files, okay? Anybody can able to download it. So this is the Tableau public. Mostly we've been using, it's a free version only. So for the practice purpose, we will use it, okay? But we have the paid version only. The functionality of the both the tools are the remain the same only. But in the Tableau public, it is more security. Simply the data can't be shared, okay? We need to give the license, everything. So in this session, we will learning this Tableau public, guys, okay? And let's see the basic difference between this Excel and Tableau, okay? So already you've been using the Excel. Some people also using here, but some people are not using. Now we'll check it. Okay, the basic differences. So we have this. See, comparative. Okay, popularity wise, Excel have the more popularity by comparing to the Tableau. Okay, so by comparing to this Tableau, Excel is the low in cost, but it will is the high in cost. Okay. Here in the Excel, we have the more editable formulas. Here also we have the formulas calculations we be doing, but here we have the lot of things, okay, for calculation. Easily compared to, because Excel is the Microsoft product, na, right? It can easily compatible with other sources also, but Tableau not, okay. See, if we compare the benefits by comparing to the Excel means here we have the central reporting portal, okay. So like a dashboard in detail, okay, it is more interactive. Interactive means if you've been clicking on one chart means it affects for the all the charts, okay. It is more interactive by comparing to the Excel. And if here we have the command line, here we have the editable formula, here we have the command lines and calculations, okay. So we have been comparing to the Excel, it has the more better interface, okay. And also here we have only the limited visuals only in the Excel, but here Tableau is known for the visualizations, okay? Because by comparing to the other reporting tools also, in the Tableau, we have the lot of visuals. We can able to create many visuals, hundreds of visuals we can able to create, okay? That is the advantages of this Tableau. Why we need to use means. And if you observe about the negative points between the two things, here we don't have the report portal, but in the Tableau we have the central reporting portal. Okay, so it's not compatible with the non-Microsoft products. Means it is compatible with only the Microsoft product because it is the Microsoft product. Huh? But in the Tableau, we have the multiple data connectors. Okay. From the multiple data connectors, we can able to load the data and we can able to use it also. In case if you want to use from one data, we can able to use. We can able to use from the another data source means we can able to use it. And also not only about the using the two sources, we can able to combine it also by using the data blending, okay. And the complex data design, okay, by comparing to the Tableau because it is more flexible to use. So we need no need to maintain no, okay, need and maintenance time to take the time, okay. So we need to check the things because anybody can able to use it, right? So they can able to customize the things also. But in case if you want to give any security for these things means, okay, for the Tableau we can able to, because no person able to view if you given the license every some security case means. And if you see some of the disadvantages and negative points for the Tableau means the cost is high, guys. And not only by comparing to the Excel, but comparing to the other reporting tools also, Tableau is the high cost, okay. And need cost server for the self-service reporting. Okay, we need to have the server cost also. And you unable to edit the data into cells. In the Excel, we can able to edit the data. In the worksheet only, we can, in the cells only, in case if you want to edit the data means we can able to edit. But in the Tableau, if you want to edit the data which we have been loaded means we can't able to edit, okay. First we need to have the clean data. By using the clean data we've been customizing the things, okay. In case if you want to edit the data means again we need to use the some other tool. Tableau prep we have Tableau preparation. So by using the Tableau preparation we need to clean our data, okay, in case if you want to edit the data set means, okay. And take time to prepare the data because uh, we are directly not cleaning the data in the tool now. First we need to clean the data and we need to use it, right? So it takes time to clean the data, okay, and to prepare the data. So these are the some of the basic differences, guys, and you also can be able to compare it, okay. And this PPT also available in the dashboard, okay, in the documents tab. In case if you want to use it means you can able to use it, okay. Okay. And why we need to use this Tableau by comparing to the other reporting tools and the visualization tool means informative dashboards. Okay. Here also in the Power BI also we can able to create the informative dashboards. Here also we can able to create. But the Tableau is known for the visuals, guys. Okay. So here we can able to add some many additional visuals, everything. Okay. In case if you want to use and supports the numerous data sources. Okay, not only about the single data source, it supports the multiple data sources. Okay, and also data connectors from the different data sources we can able to extract the data. Okay, SQL, some Oracle, some or in PPT also. In case if you have the file as a PPT means that PPT file also we can able to load it. Okay, in case if you want to use it, mean PDFs, Excel, some coding related stuff also directly we can able to load it. Okay. Okay. And why we need to use this thing means the connectivity with the live and memory data. Okay. So live data can be connected. Okay. In case if you have been changing anything while using the tool means the live data also going to be affected. Okay. So connectivity with the live and provides a gated security because if you've been using the Tableau desktop paid version means it will provides the great security because anybody can able to use it. Okay. But if you've been using the free version means it won't provide say security, guys, because anybody can able to use it. Okay. So the paid version have the more great security and easily collaboration and sharing. Okay. Okay, but here we if you want to share the things everything means on the public we can able to share it. Okay, the dashboard, but for the specific company to company, team to team, we need to share means we need to have use the sharing tools. Okay. So the companies, if they've been using means they will provide, okay? And provide and also we have the mobile version also, okay? To you check the things and the advanced visualization capabilities. So here we can able to create some advanced visuals also, okay? So I will create the basic visuals and some advanced visuals also I will create, okay? While using the tool and availability of the maps also. Here we have the feature for this maps also. So in case if you want to customize the map means we have the additional feature for the maps. Okay. Not only about the charts, some more advanced maps also we can able to create. Okay. In this Tableau. And I will show the features also where you can able to get customize the things, the maps also. So this is about the PPT slides, guys. And in these slides, we have the how to use the Tableau, some slides having the screenshots, okay, about the tool, okay. So in case if you want to refer means refer it, okay. I will after this PPT again I will show you, okay, these things everything. So this is about the PPT, guys. Okay, only some theoretical stuff. Okay, more the things we will learn in the Tableau tool. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. It's only the theoretical stuff only. That's why it's boring. So we will learn more things in the Tableau, desktop. Okay. So guys, let me guide you. Okay, how to install the tool. Okay. So we can if you want to download the Tableau desktop, okay, in your PC or laptop means okay, we can able to download or else directly if you want to I don't want to download that tool, just I want to practice the tool in the online means you can able to practice in the online also. Okay. I will guide the both the steps. Okay. So guys, note the thing. Okay. Public. If you have the pen and paper, note it, or else I will share this link in the chat box also, so you can able to download it. Okay. So public.tableau.com. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Let me hide this thing. Search for this public.tableau.com. Okay. So this will be the phase. Okay. So if you click on this, 1 minute, guys. Let me hide this thing. Okay. So if you want to download the Tableau, public version for the desktop means, okay, tool. Just click on this create, okay. Note the part public.tableau.com, okay. Then click on the create, click on the Tableau desktop public version, okay. Click on it. So here we have the Tableau, download Tableau public, guys, okay. Just click on it, okay. It is asked for this name, last name, just email and region, okay. So if you fill, and if you been click on this to download this app means directly the tool is going to be download, okay. Then if you open the tool means, okay, it will directly install, okay. We don't have any steps to install or anything. Just after downloading, if you've been opening the tool means, okay, directly it will install also, okay. So guys, let me share this link, okay. Just download it, but in the meantime, don't. Later you can able to download it, okay. 1 minute, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are
Yes, yes.
audible.
1 minute, 1 minute. So 1 minute, guys. Let me meeting group chat. Okay. So in the chat box, I have been sent the link. Okay. Please download it. It is visible for everyone, na? The link.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, but download the tool only, guys, for the application, because if we've been using the online version means, okay, while loading the data, while creating the charts, everything, it takes a lot of time to create the charts, okay. Because it's an online version, a lot of people been using, okay. So it adds more load and it takes a lot of time. Even if you want to load the data means, it takes 10 to 15 minutes of time, okay. 10 to 15 minutes, sometimes it takes the 30 minutes also for loading the data only. But I will guide you where you can able to practice this online means, okay. I just search for this Tableau public, okay, or else Tableau Discord public. So 1 minute. Okay. Tableau public. So if you click on this Tableau public means, okay, the first link, okay, just click on it. So you need to sign in with your account, okay. So while downloading this file, okay, you need to create an account now. With the created account, you need to sign in, okay. Simply, okay. Sign in. Let me sign in this thing, okay. 1 minute, guys. Let me sign in and let me show you. Later you can able to do it, okay. This installation, everything. So recording is available now. Parallelly, you can able to practice while we in this record. See, this will be the after signing. This is the Canva, everything. Okay, this will be the interface. Okay, so click on the profile. Okay, my profile. Okay, if you want to practice the tool means, okay. See here itself, the things which have been created, the dashboards, everything will be visible here itself, okay. So in case if you want to create, if you want to use the tool means create a viz, okay. Here we'll be having this viz, okay. Just create a viz. See, just it is asking for the data, everything. It takes time, guys, to practice here. Same features available in the desktop version, in this version also. But while loading the data, while creating the charts, everything, it's a time taking process, okay. That's why I'm not been using, because I have the desktop version also. I will use the desktop version, okay. So in case if you want to use only the web version means, use it, okay. So right now I'll close this thing. So received the link now. So after downloading and installing the tool, okay. Here itself you directly the file will be visible. Just open it. It takes 1 or 2 minutes, guys. So, guys, this is the free version of the Tableau public only, but it is like a desktop version. Okay. Again, you no need to sign in. Okay. So here, see, I'm not been signing in. Directly, I will use it. Okay. Is this thing not required to update? Don't sign in, guys. Simply directly you can able to use it. Okay. So before loading the data, let me show the Tableau data set. Okay. First, I have some different data set. Let me the basic one only. I will use it. Okay. Because it is mostly in case if you want to practice also means it is more effective. Okay. Because in the tab YouTube also you can able to find a lot of videos regarding this data set only. Okay. See, guys, it is the data set. Guys, why we need to create the charts means one more example. See, if you've been seeing this data means okay. Suddenly, if you've been seeing this thing, if you want to understand means you guys can able to get the insights fast. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Audible.
Uh-huh.
It will take some
Yes,
time to
yes.
understand the data by
It
seeing this
takes,
Excel.
yes, yes. If you've been shown this thing to the client means okay. Simply, if you've been showing this data set and you've been explaining the things means it takes time, right? For the client also to understand. For us only, it takes time, right? To understand the thing, data set. So, it data analyst everyone easily can able to understand because they process everything. Na? But as a business analyst, as a client, if you are a client means okay, it takes a lot of time. Na? Minute, guys. Okay, that's why we've been creating the charts. Okay. So if we've been creating the charts by showing this raw data means okay, the satisfaction level also going to be the increase, and they also can able to understand the things. Okay. So here I'm using this sample superstore data set only. See, in the sample superstore data set, guys, it is all about the superstore data set. Okay. On the superstore, we have the different products, everything. How many products are there, subcategory of the products, how many products has been sold out, different segments, on which region the products are, more products has been sold, what is the profit ratios, different region, state, country, everything we have relating the product store. Okay. So here we've been using the sample superstore. Okay. So let me close the file. Let me practice the things on this Tableau desktop. Okay. Okay. So on my left, this is the GAN one. On my left, you may able to see the connectors. Na? These are all the data sources only. So I am using the free version. Na? That's why I have only the limited version only. 6 or 7 only we have. Okay. But if you've been using the paid version, licensed version means okay. Here itself you can able to find a lot of connectors and okay. Like multiple connectors we have. Okay. It is filled with the whole Canva. That many connectors we have. So here itself I will just use the my Excel file only. Simple. Select it, okay. Easy only. After opening the tool, if click on the Excel file, just before loading the file, just check the file type also, okay, to identify it. So Excel file only, select it, open it. So this will be the page. 1 minute, guys. It's been loading. Okay. Let me hide this thing. So it will be the canvas of this Tableau, guys. Okay. We can able to call this thing as a data source page. Okay. See at the bottom, you have the data source. No? So we can call it this thing as a data source page. Okay. So if you want to add any, see in the sample superstore data set, I have the 3 different tables. Okay. Orders table, people's table, returns table. By using all these three tables, we will customize the things. Okay. We will create some charts, everything. So simply if you want to use the thing means, if you want to use this Tableau means, okay, tables, everything. First, we need to drag and drop this thing. See here itself, they mentioned drag tables here. Okay. Simply, I will drag and drop this thing. Okay. Select, drag it. Okay. See only this orders table what are the fields I have means see row ID, order ID, not whole the data fields, columns, okay. On this particular table, what are the columns we have, it will show also here. These are the different fields I have. In case if you want to change the data type means, okay, here itself we have the option. Simply you can able to change it, okay. Or else already the data is the cleaned version only. I'm not been cleaning everything. See, on this orders table, I have the 21 fields, okay, columns. Here I having the 9,994 rows, okay. So the rows, different rows I have 21 fields means, okay, columns here. So just drag and drop this table here, guys, okay. In case if you want to join the two tables means again drag and drop this thing, okay. Simply it will say simply connect the joins also, okay. In case if you want to change the type of the join means, okay, you can able to change the type also, okay. How you can able to change, it will just given the relationship. In case if you want to change the type means, okay, simple, guys. If you want, after connecting the thing, if you want to remove the connection means simply, okay, ignore it, okay. Just drag and drop this thing onto the white space, okay. Connection has been done. So we want to give the joins means, okay, double click on this orders table, okay. Simply now drag and drop these peoples here, okay. See, data modeling can also be done. So orders peoples here, the join type is the inner join, okay. So on the orders table, on the peoples table, which are the columns we have means, okay, common columns, it has been connected, okay. See, you click on this join means, okay, here we can able to change the type of the join also, okay. See, we have the inner, left, right, full out. Inner means the columns, left means we get all the common fields from this orders, okay. Only the just common columns here from the people's table, okay, left. If you've been using this right means we'll get all the fields from this people, only common fields are from this orders table, okay. So I'll keep the relationship like this, or else simply if you want to change the type of the relationship means you can able to change also, okay. So let me just give the just random relationship, okay. So close this thing. Okay. Just I will give the random relationship. Okay. I will connect because I want to use all the fields from the three tables. Okay. See, I just given the relationship. So in case if you want to practice means, okay, simply you need to use the sheets. Okay. This is the data source page. We need to use the sheet. Okay. Click on the sheet. So this is the interface and the canvas of this sheet, guys. Okay. So in the Tableau, for every sheet, we can able to create only one visual, guys. Okay. But in the in the Power BI, for every sheet, we can able to have load some multiple visuals. Okay. By the using that space. But for every in this Tableau, for every sheet, we can able to create only one visual only. Okay. So in case additional charts visuals we need to create means we need to click on this plus button. Okay. So multiple sheets we need to add. Okay. So I'll go with this sheet one only. So this will be the can one. In this area, we going to create the charts, everything. Okay. So before creating, let me give the brief about this options, everything. So this can be called as a data pane, guys. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. So this area, everything we can able to call the data pane. Okay. Here itself, we have the two. The blue color ones are this dimensions. Okay. The fields we can able to call the dimensions, and this green color ones we can able to call it as an Measures, okay. So by using this both this dimensions and measures, we need to create the charts, okay. So I will guide you how to create these things also, how to use this thing. 1 minute. Okay, this is the use case of this tab, guys. So on the table, what are the fields and columns we have means all are visible in this data pane, okay. So check it in case if you want to check it means here itself we need to check what are the fields we have, okay. So if you go this column shelf and row shelf, we can able to add these fields here, okay, to create any charts. We've been adding here directly drag and drop this thing here, okay. So in the ribbon we have the different things, okay guys. We can able to sort it, we can able to swap it. In case we can able to want to add any data labels means we can able to add it. We can able to duplicate the pages, we can able to add them worksheets also here itself, okay. Here we have some features. We will use some features here also. Okay. So in the page and filter, this can be called as a shelves. Okay. Page shelf, filter shelf, mark shelf, column shelf. Okay. So if you want to do any filterization, advanced filterization means here we need to use a filter. Okay. While creating this charts, I will guide this mark shelf, okay? Because for the customization of the visuals, if you want to add any colors for the visuals, or else if you want to increase the size of the visual, means by using these things, fields, we can able to use it, okay? So this is the mark shelf, okay? And here we have the show me button, okay? If you click on the show me means here itself we have the some of the charts, everything, okay? So it will have some charts. So in case if you want to use it means you can able to use it. And why we need to use this Tableau by comparing to the Power BI means, okay guys, this is the one of the feature also. For every chart, it will recommend what kind of field we need to add, okay. See, for every chart it will be recommend. To prepare a bar chart, we need to have one dimension, 0 or more, 1 or if you have our own dimensions also we can able to have it, okay. And at least we need to have one measure, okay, to create this bar graph. In case if you want to create the pie chart means at least we need to have one dimension and one measure, okay. So in case if you don't know which dimension or measure need to have to create the charts means easily here we can able to check it, okay. See, to create a chart, at least we need to have one geographical data field, okay? Like location, state, country, like that. Those fields only we can able to use to create the map, okay? So it will be recommending. See, for every visual, if you don't know how to create the charts means simply see it, just drag and drop this thing according to the visual, okay? So this is the use case of this show me button, okay, and it will recommend some of the charts also. But in the Power BI, for every chart means it won't recommend what kind of fields are required, okay. We need to think and we need to give the fields on the columns, okay. At that time only the visual is going to be created. But in the Tableau it recommends the some of the charts also, okay. So this is the some basic brief about this interface, guys, okay. So let me create it one by one, okay, step by step. So in this session, I will explain how to create some charts, how to filter the charts, and how to group the fields, how to create a sets, how to create the parameters. By while creating one by one visual, I will apply the every use cases, okay. So guys, if you want to create the basic chart means, okay, let me create a basic chart, okay. Let me drag this city into the rows, okay. See, on the cities, how many cities we have got means this many cities we have, okay. So there are many cities, 431 cities we have, okay. Where, how I get to know means this many cities means, see, here we have 431 rows means that many cities, okay. So if you want to create the charts means both the things we need to use, guys, dimensions and measures, okay. Dimensions are we can't able to do the aggregated aggregations, okay, on the dimensions because those are the test fields, everything. But if you want to perform any aggregations means we need to use the measures, okay? So we can able to do the aggregations on the discount, profit, sales, right? These are the values now. So drag and drop this sales into the column, okay? See, visual has been created, but the bars are very small, so the alignments, everything is not properly fit, okay? So let me sort this thing, okay? How we can able to sort the things means, okay? Here itself we have the sorting buttons. Sort, sort descending or descending, okay? See, click on this descending means, okay? It has been sorted, but the bars are very small, okay? On the top, see, you scrolling down, here itself we have the length bars, okay? So let me sort this thing top to bottom, okay? See, by here we have the ribbon only, we have the buttons, okay? So if you want to sort this bar means we need to use case this bars, okay? So this is the how to we need to sort this thing means this is how, guys, okay? Additionally, we have, if you just scroll down the chart means, okay, here itself one button, okay? See, one small button we have. So if I click on this button means again it will sort the things, okay? See, bottom to top, okay? Sum, normal, it has been not been sorted. If I click on again means see, top values to the bottom values, okay? So this is how we can able to sort the things, okay? So if I hover my mouse means, okay, I got this tested tooltip, right? This the pop-up, small pop-up, we can able to call it is as a tooltip, guys, okay? So in the tooltip, see, city, city in New York, and the sales has been happened to 2,56,000, okay? See, the tooltip I am getting the values, okay? So I want to showcase the data labels on this particular bar graph means, okay? Simply you can able to select this T button, okay? Test bins, marks label. See, data labels are also going to be added, okay? So in case if you want to remove the data labels means remove it, or else click on this data labels to add the data labels, okay? So see, 2,56,000. Even if I hover my mouse means see, in the tooltip also I'm getting the same value, okay? And this is the one of the use case of this test tab. Standard means, okay, it will fit the graph for this sizes, okay? Entire view means whole, for a whole screen it is visible like this, see? Not a fit to. Let me make it easy into the standard only. So better to check, okay?
Can we put city in columns and sales in rows?
Yes, it depends, okay? So here itself, let me see. We getting the graph, now. Let me sort this thing. See, here itself we can able to pet, and here itself we can able to pet. Put, okay. It depends. So basing upon the requirement, okay, you need to change according to this thing, okay? So anyway, in the column you can able to showcase we getting in the horizontal graphs. So vertical graph bars we not get means like this, okay? Sort it. And this is the swap button, okay? So see, horizontal, vertical, both the things we getting, okay? So this is the use case of this thing. So this will be the basic chart, guys, okay? Bar graph, how to create the bar graph, just drag and drop these things on this page, okay? So additionally, if you want to add any colors or thing means, okay, you can able to add the colors also, okay? How you can able to add the colors means, okay? Let me add the colors basing upon the sales, okay? If the sales has the lowest value means it is light in color. If the sales has been highest in the value means, okay, it needs to be the dark color, okay? What I will do means, okay, I will just hold, just I am clicking the control button, okay, just selecting the cells, it is duplicating, guys. Place, okay, see, colors also going to be changed, okay? Or else if you add the city also, it's fine. From here itself we can able to sort it, or else simply you can able to add he like this also, but we will get the different because See, city wise, the graph is going to, color is going to be changed, okay? I don't want like that. What I will do means just I will add this cells directly here, okay? See, darkest colors are the dark blue. The lowest cells has been in the light blue, okay? This, or else if you want to give the, change the color type means, okay? See, click on it, colors, just edit color. Automatic we have, na? Directly it has been taken the automatic. If you want to give the lowest values red and highest values green means here we have the red and green diverging, okay? Apply, apply, okay, apply means the pop-up remains here, the dialog box will like this only, see? To click on OK means it will apply, okay? See, the lowest values are, 1 minute, let me sort this thing. Okay, lowest values we are having. Okay, lowest values are dark red, okay, and highest values are this green, okay. Like that also you can able to add the colors, okay. So step by step while creating some other charts also I will guide it, okay guys. How we can able to filter, how we can able to customize this charts, everything. So size also we here. Bar size, if you want to reduce the bar size means, okay, we can able to use this thing, okay. Here itself, let me add this thing like this only, better. Here, test button is useful to add the data labels, or else if you click on this data label button means, okay, here itself also we can able to add the data labels, okay. Simply ignore it, already I have been added now. Show mark data labels, I will unmark it, see, or else click on it, okay. Depends upon you. Details, tooltips while creating the charts I will guide, okay. Tooltip means directly this small pop-up we have now. This is the consider as a tooltip only. On the tooltip, if you want to add some other new things means, okay, we can able to drag and drop this thing into the tooltip, okay. So let me add this thing here itself. Here we've been taking the city now. Just I will drag this city here in the tooltip, okay, or else let me remove this thing and I will double click on it, okay. Double click on it. See, in the tooltip, I am having the name as a city, sales as the year. Additional new text need to add means, okay. Hello, like that. Hello guys, I will add. Okay. I have been added one name. Hello guys. If I hover my mouse on the bar means, okay. See, in the tooltip, we getting the name itself. So like that, if you want to add any new on the tooltip only, we can able to add the visual also. Like that, not only about the text, visual also we can able to add it, okay. That can be the use
So,
case of this thing.
if we add something in a tooltip, then it automatically added to all the labels, right?
Yes, all the labels, okay. See, 1 minute, but only for this visual only, okay, because in this sheet, every sheet we've been creating one visual only, na? Right. So for this particular visual only, see, every yield it being creating hello, okay. So that is can be the use case of this thing, okay guys, basic thing. So this is how, or else if you want to filter your data means, first let me explain the basic filter, okay. The customization, how to add these things. It's clear, na? Regarding the this visual. Step by step, I will create the lot of visuals. Right now, it's clear about this
Yes.
visual, particular visual. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
how we can able to filter the things means, okay. Basic. By button clicks only, if you want to filter the chart means, okay. Just select the area, okay. I want to check only this top, how many, 1, 2, 3, top 5 bars means, okay. Select, okay, the 5 bars. If you want to compare only this 5 bars means, okay, select this 5 bars, just place the mouse only here, okay. You will see the pop-up. Keep only means you have the no, no. This only graphs will be remain, okay. Exclude means remaining, this graphs will be removed. Okay. Let me click, say, compare. Okay. Only basic filtration. Okay. Or else I don't want like this
Can we
means, okay.
select the labels randomly?
Randomly labels. Yeah, randomly
Yeah.
also.
For filtering
See,
like this, randomly can we?
yes, yes. Like this.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Whatever the things you want, keep only. Okay. Control Z means back. Okay. Here itself you can able to use the redo, undo. Okay. Or else simply click on the Control J. Okay. Better. So this is the things, guys. Okay. Exclude means the top selected values are going to be exclude. Okay. See, remaining all are there. See the value itself 28,000 only. See, here we have 28. See, like that also we can able to do the filterization, guys. Okay. This is one type of filterization. Okay. So in case if you want to add, this is the all you have been done, right? The filter right now, which I have been done like this. Okay.
Can we create button for that?
Yes, yes. How we can able to add this button, not that show filter. Okay. How we can able to add means, okay. Let me add the region. Okay. Region, we have only the 4 fields only. Let me add. Click on this drop down. Okay. Drop down. Show filter. Okay. See. It is more dynamic. Okay. This button is with this filter. This parameter will visible for the client and for the client or else like that. Okay. It is more dynamic. Things which have you done like this now. This is the dynamic. Okay. The end user can't able to do these actions on the while dashboard. Okay. If I want to, the end users want to select their own fields and the category things means, okay, you need to show some filters. Okay. Like that. How you can able to add the filter means, see, I want to check region wise what are the cities we have. Okay. Right click or else here itself drop down. Okay. Drop down, show filter. See, let me show you. Let me unmark all this thing. See, more interactive. Okay, I want to see only the states which are there in this central region. Okay, cities. See, some central region cities. Okay, east region cities. See, the bar type also been changing. Compare, guys. Okay, south, west.
So how to pick top two labels from each region?
Uh, top two, right?
Top two from
Only.
each region.
Each region how you can able to pick means, okay, we need to use this filter page shelf. Okay, step by step I will guide. Okay, how to pick the top 10 values, how to pick the top bottom values. Okay, that can be here in the filter shelf, we need to use it. Okay, the next visual I will show you. This can be the quick dependent, guys. Okay, so let me add the one more chart also, guys. Okay, so you want to know about pick this top 10, top 2, top 3 like that, na? So I will 1 minute. Okay, I will use it. Okay. So I will take the product wise or else subcategory wise like that. Okay. So in case if you want to add the product or subcategory means it's fine. So let me add the states only here again to the row. Let me add this as sales. Okay. Here. Okay, here itself we have this sales. Okay, let me solve this thing. Okay, if you want to filter only the top 10 states or bottom 10 states means, okay, simply add the state on the filters. Okay, wait, guys, it's loading. Again, state. Let it be load. 1 minute. Why it's see, just I'll just select this states and I have been drag and drop here in the filter shelf. Okay, this dialog box will come. Okay, so here we have the different segments: general, wildcard, condition, top. Okay, so general means the selected things. If you want to select only the specific cities means you can able to select here and you can click means okay. Those things only will select. Okay. See, let me select this thing. Okay. Or else some, if you want to remove some things means remove. Okay. If you apply and okay means those will be only selected. Okay. This is the general one. If you click on the wildcard means okay. If you given the name starts with ends with means by basing upon the characteristics it will customize. Okay, filter. Conditions means just you need to give the condition. Okay, from this value to the this value. In between, if you want to give any specific range for the filter means you need to use this condition. Okay, see, by field select from specific range to specific range, min to max. On that particular range only you want to filter means you need to use this condition. Okay, case if you want to use the top or bottom means okay, top. Okay, but here itself we have this area now, top 10. You need to select this field also. Okay, by field top 10 means okay, just select the top 10, apply. Okay, or else okay, simply 1 minute. Top 10 by field. Okay, top 10 values, apply. Okay, or else okay, or else what I will do means okay, I will customize this thing. See, now I will add this thing. Okay, top 10 products. So like this only. Why sometimes we will get means we need at that time if we don't getting the values means we need to change the positions. Okay, apply. See, like that we getting. Okay, so state wise, see, top 10 states. Swap this thing. See, only the top 10 where states we got. Okay, let me open this thing. Okay, show filter. See, here itself we have already I have been top 10 by some sales. Okay, this thing I have been filtered now the top 10 states. Here we have the lot of states. Even though if I've been selected all the states, see, I'm not getting the filters, all the states. Okay, because I have been applied the filter now. That's why I've been getting the top 10 values. Okay. So this is how we can able to use this filter shelf to just filter the things, guys. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Some depends. Okay. Like selecting these things, it's fine. Or else showcasing the some show filter, quick dependent filter, we can able to call it as. So like this also we can able to filter. Or else by using this filter shelf, we can able to customize the filter. Okay. Just basing upon the requirement. So this is the one type of the filterization, guys. Okay. And if you've been adding these things means okay, it's more dynamic. Okay. Even client also can able to perform the actions. Okay. In case if you want to do any action on the chart means okay. If you been adding this show filters like this parameters we've been adding means okay. This is slicers. We can able to call this thing as a slicer. Drop down. See, and one more thing. In this filter, here we have now this. In case if you want to change the type means you can able to change the type also. Okay. So I will explain this thing. See, drop down. Okay. Single value list means okay. Here itself it been showing all the values. Okay. Single value means only one value only will be visible. Okay. See, only one only we can able to select. See, it is giving some radio buttons. Only at a time we can able to select only one. Okay. If you want to select the multiple means control hold. Okay. So again, we have some other things also. Single value drop down. See, only east. If you click on this drop down means all are visible. Okay. Like that, we have the multiple things. Not only with the single value, multiple value list also we have. Okay. At that, it is the multiple value visual list. Multiple value drop down also we have. See, multiple value drop down. See, at a time we can able to select the multiple values. Okay. Drop down. Like that, we have.
Multiple values means?
See, at a time we can able to select the multiple values. Okay. See, east, south, central.
Okay.
Oh, it means we can do for multiple regions, I believe, right?
Yes, yes. Multiple here I am getting means here we mention the region, na?
Either we can
Right?
select central east or east south
Yes,
or
yes.
east
Multiple
west,
regions we can
anything.
able to select, okay? Basing upon the requirement. Like that, this all things will be not upon the client is going to ask, okay? At that time you need to customize. But as a data business analyst, we be not doing these things, okay? It is only for our understanding only, okay? So these are the two. This is about the filterization, guys. Okay. So let me explain you the how to give the hierarchy between the fields. I will guide. Okay. Let me explain this thing. Okay. Orders into this orders data. Okay. Okay. See, year wise. In this data set, I am having the all the values like 14, 15, 16, 17 years. Okay. So if I click on this plus button, on this we can able to call it as a tab or else, okay, pill. We can call it this thing as a pill, okay, because it likes a pill tablet na. See, place button, if you click on this place button means, okay, see, year wise quarter hierarchy. On every year we have some quarters, on every quarter we have some months, for every month we have some dates, right? On every like that, okay, we need to check. It is one type of hierarchy only now, right? So remove means just drag and drop this thing onto the white spaces, okay? So how to give like this means hierarchy means, okay? Let me give one hierarchy for the country, okay? Let me give the hierarchy for the country, state, city, okay? So let me check the country, okay, guys, first. Here itself, okay, here itself I have the country, okay? If you want to give the hierarchy means drop down, okay? Here itself we have the create button, okay? You click on the create means, okay? Here we have, or else simply you can able to give this hierarchy, okay? Create a hierarchy. See, let me make this thing as then location, okay? Or else locations, I will make it is into the hierarchy, okay? Locations. Okay. See, the symbol. Check the symbols also. See, some hierarchy symbol. Here we have small symbol. Like that, say I have been given the hierarchy, but on this location, I have only the country only. See, drop down. If I click the drop down means see country. Okay. Before giving, let me duplicate this thing and give the hierarchy. Okay. Duplicate the country. Okay. Copy. Let me create the hierarchy. Create hierarchy. Okay. Okay. This one location only. Location I will give. So in
So
the
we need
location, we
to
have the.
create the hierarchy if we required.
Yes, yes. Okay. First one only we need to create. For the remaining things, okay, simply drag, hold, or else just select the state, okay. Notice see. Again, it is asking for the hierarchy. Ship to mode state, not flexible, okay. Let me duplicate this thing first before adding. See, hold, place here, okay. See, one underline we getting na, the line, place here. Hierarchy has been given.
I have one
Country.
question here.
Mm.
Like you told before, above ones are dimensions and below are measures. Can we create hierarchy for those?
If you want to create means you need to change the type, okay. See, Here we have na convert. This is the measure, right? Profit. So if you want to give the hierarchy, means just convert into the dimension, okay? And give
No,
the
no, I am saying
hierarchy.
for all. Like you told, above ones are measures, right? All the above
Hmm.
ones are measures and below ones are dimensions.
Dimension.
So I can,
Above
I'm
ones are
saying,
the
can we create for all?
dimensions. Yeah, we can able to create, okay? But if you want to create, means hierarchy means, okay? See, orders, we have this orders, year, month, hmm? Year, quarter, month, days, na? It will be the hierarchy, na? So we can able to give, but it's matching country segment. We can able to give the hierarchy. Check for the country category. These are matching. These are the fields only. But if you want to give the hierarchy, means okay. This country field is the different geographical data, na, this thing. And this category means products, na. How you can able to match the country and category? At least it needs to have some hierarchy, right? That's why. See, country, state to city. It can be one type of the hierarchy, na. If we be given the products means okay, segments, subcategory of the okay, segments of the products list, category of the product list, subcategory of the products. That can be the hierarchy, okay? Like that, we need to check the hierarchy conditions also, okay? Simply, if you want to give the hierarchy means it will take, but we'll get the errors, okay, at that time. So we need to check the conditions also. See, I have been given the hierarchy, na? Let me drag and drop here. See, country. See, country, state. See, city. If I be given any values means okay, sales. Just here itself you can able to add this sales, or else here itself you can able to add, okay. If you add here means it won't create any chart. Just it is like a tabular format. Okay. Directly if you've been placing in the columns means okay, it will sometimes create charts. Mostly it will create. See, let me sort this thing. See, United States on the Alabama, we have this many states. On the Arizona, we have this many states. Something. We have this many states. Okay. So like that. Okay. If you want to give the some types of hierarchy conditions means like this. Okay. So this is how we can able to give the hierarchy also, guys. Okay. In case if you want to give the hierarchy. Okay. So let me keep like this thing only, okay, or else remove it, okay. So this will be the hierarchy, na, right? If you want to create any groups means, okay, groups means we can able to split the things into the two different groups, okay. So how we can able to give the groups means, okay, let me add something. Let me add the subcategory, okay. Subcategory here. Here we have the list of the subcategory products, okay. So sales here, some columns. So in the columns, I've just been adding the sales. Okay, let me sort these things, okay. Or else profit. Let me, sales means all the positive value sales only will get. Let me add this profit, okay. So we'll get some negative values and positive values. See, I got the negative profits, okay. Positive profits, okay. I want to group the two different things. Negative values on one group, positive values on some other group, okay. So how we can able to group the things means simple only, grouping also. Simple. These above ones are the positive. This left side ones are the negative, okay. I will select only these three negative, okay. Negative profit values. Selected how to group the two different things means, okay. Just to place the mouse on the bar over it. Here itself we have, okay, button group members. If you click on this group members means, see, it has been divided into the two groups, okay. So for your case, I will change the color. Negative ones are this green, some red color. Positive ones are this green color, okay. So let me change it, double click on it, okay. This one negative, na, blue color ones. This one are the positive ones, okay? Apply. See? Okay. See? Add this data labels, okay? Show this thing. See? Negative profit values, okay? See? Minus 3,000, 1,000. It has been divided into the two groups, guys, okay? This one like this and this thing. This is how we can able to create the groups by selecting this button, or else simply if we want to create the groups means here itself anything, right click on it, okay, create, okay, group button, okay. Like this also we have the multiple.
Yeah, I have a question here. Even in this green and red, can we have a shades starting
Shades
from
you
9?
want?
Yeah.
Yes. See, let me add this is sales only, profit only, hold this thing, okay. Let me add here, okay, see.
Oh, great.
Or else select the color, edit the color, okay. I will customize this thing. Again, red and green only. But the highest profit will get the dark green, and the lowest profit should be get negative profit will get the red color, okay. Indeed. See, okay. Green color, it is light in color, because if again it been
Yeah.
increasing means will, huh?
Okay, great.
Okay.
But if it's in a profit, then why the negative part was there?
Negative profit it is. The
Okay.
sales are
Loss making
happening,
company.
but we have the less profit, okay, on these products. If it is on this coppers are the highest sales and it has been performing well, we have this positive profits, okay.
Sir,
It is the
negative profit
tables.
means negative profit means loss, no?
Loss.
Yes, it's a loss making
Yeah.
product.
Yeah,
Loss
okay.
making. Otherwise, it been performing very low. The sales are not happening. It is not generating the profits, okay. Loss. So we don't use these tables. So this is how we can able to group the things also, guys, okay. And also like that we can able to create, okay. Okay, so this is about this some of the things, guys, okay, about this filterization, creating the grouping, giving the hierarchies, okay. We have the multiple things, but we have only the limited time na to learn all the things, okay. So filterization, customizations, I will stop it, okay. Now I will create some of the charts, okay. So where you can able to practice, okay. Let me create only by not using this show me button. I will create the charts, okay. Mostly I don't use this thing, so not required. So here we can able to have the multiple charts, guys, okay. We have the bar graphs, maps, charts, pie charts, a lot of things we have, but basing upon the requirement we need to use, okay. See, here in the show me button we have some customization chart already. It been suggesting some charts, okay. In case if you want to perform some advanced charts means here we have the automatic na. See, here itself we have some thing. By using this thing also we can able to customize our charts, okay. So step by step I will guide you, okay. So let me create first. Already we have been created a lot of bar charts here. It means 3 only. Okay, let me create one more chart, okay. Let me add this only subcategory basic chart again showing, guys, subcategory here, sales here, okay. Okay, see one chart, okay. Filterization again I'm not showing for the time being, okay. This is the some bar graph na. Why we are using this much to check the all these lowest sales and highest sales, okay. So column also we can able to have, okay. This can be the row bar chart, okay. Column wise we need to means, okay. Again no need to prepare the column chart bars, just click on this swap rows, okay. This can be the column bar chart, okay. This can be the row bar chart. This can be the column bar chart. Okay, two different bars. Okay, so in case if you want to add the side by side different bars means okay on each region like that means okay on the specific date or else means okay. Let me add this thing multiple bars okay on particular region particular date. So what I will do means okay. Let me add this region okay. 1 second guys. Okay. Where is the region? Region column or cells. So let me add here okay. One more time. Let us check. Let me add the date okay. Order date I will add okay because I will check the year wise okay. See central region 14, 15, 16 and 17. Okay, what are the sales has been happened? Let me check. Okay, not only directly drag and dropping this thing guys. If you double click on the sales means okay, it will give okay the sales values, but it is been creating the test okay. So to create the chart, just place it okay. See on the central region how the sales has been increasing yearly means okay. Check see central like that. Let me add the bars okay on the place of this line chart. We will create the lines also before I will comparing now. Just test to add the data label. See on the year wise central east south west on year wise what are the sales has been happened a particular year. Check this guys okay. Again if you want to add the colors means okay for the sales or else region let me add okay the region here. Let's see what kind of colors. So directly it been stacked bars we getting if I being given the region. So not comparing like this. Let me add this here. Let me check. Okay. Not getting. Let me add this sales here. What kind of things will get checked? Okay. Mostly we can able to add this region only, but it is given the staked. Okay. Okay. This is the side by side graph, guys. See, compare with this thing. Here we have only the limited one. Only particular we not specifying any years. Okay. If we been see here we have been added the two dimensions. See central east south west multiple. Okay. We can able to consider this thing 1 minute. Oh, and let me hide this thing. Hide card. Okay. This central region one bar. This east one south west different. Okay. So let me create some other things also, guys. So right now, if we've been adding this region on the color means we get the staked bar. Na? So how to create the staked bar? Let me explain.
Sir,
Okay.
here only the bar charts it will show, or pie charts will
Aha.
also come.
I will show the pie charts. I will show the maps. We have still some time now. I will create how many charts I
Okay,
will
okay.
create. I will create. Okay. And also I have been created one sheets also. Later I have been created some sheets. Okay. I will share that file also at the end. Okay. For the practice. So
Okay, sir.
yearly, let me take again the order date, guys. Okay. Because see, in the bar graphs only, we have the multiple bars, na, right? Different things. Like that, for every chart, we have the multiple things. Okay. So in the bar graphs only, see how many bars we have. Yearly, I have been added now. Let me add this sales here. Okay. See, I am getting this thing. Okay. So let me change line graph. This is the line graph. Okay. If you want to check the proper line graph here, I am getting the year only. If I create right click and if I change it to the month means okay, more specific line chart. Okay. This is how we can able to get these things, guys. Okay. This is the line chart. So let me, I have been explaining the staked bar graph. Na? See, yearly I have been added. Okay. So this is how we can able to add the things. Okay. In case if you've been adding any region or else anything on the colors means okay, we get the staked. Okay. Let me add this thing. See, staked bar graph. See, On the particular block only, step by step we getting all the regions. This is the staked bar graph. Line I have been created now. Let me duplicate this thing, okay? Duplicate the page means, okay? Simply duplicate it. Same. I don't want to add this region. Let me make it is into the bar line graph, okay? How to create the line means, see, yearly wise sales. Year means small only we getting. So let me make it is into the month, okay? To brief this thing. See how the sales means, check the sales means, okay? Add here, see color, dark highest values here. So here we have the details, everything, right? Now details here we can able to add the path. If we click on the path means here we have the some types of this line charts also. See, one type of line chart. This is the one type of the thing. You want to customize the things means you can able to customize, okay? So here, guys, you may able to see or not. If I scroll down here, I'm getting this data label now. See some small bar circle. So if you want to add that thing means, okay, pointers. See, pointers opacity we being acting. See some pointers we have. Let me check this thing. Okay. See here we have some pointer. Let me add the later label so you can able to get the pointers. Okay. See every if the graph has been changing one particular thing means, see it will be in here we have the pointer. See the graph is changing from the one pointer to the another pointer. Okay. So like that also you can able to customize the bar graph, guys. Okay. So multiple things. So not only about the single, if you want to have the, it is the single line bar graph, a single line chart. Na? We want to have the multiple line chart means, okay, category. Let me see the different category wise, okay. On the category, we have the 3 categories in the detail. See, or else let me hold this category, okay, and then let me add into the color, okay. See, 3 different line charts we got. Furniture in the category we have the different line categories, okay, some categories. Furniture, office supplies, technologies. For every graph only 3 line charts only we have been got. See 3 different colors. So this is the multi-line chart, guys. Before that it will be the single line, it can be the multi-line, okay, dual line chart or else multi-line chart. We can able to call it as, okay. And also we can able to call this thing as a customized line chart also, okay. If you don't add the colors means it's one type of chart. If you've been adding the colors means it's one type of chart, okay. If you've been adding the multiple fields means it will be create one more chart like this, okay. You need to create basing upon the things. So guys, one more thing I have been forgotten. So in case if you want to change the sheet type, okay, double click on it, okay. Change the line to the line chart. See, double click on the sheet, staked like that, okay. Staked bar chart, okay, like that. See, line chart here, it has been created, right? If you see staked bar, here itself you can able to see. Here he have only the sheet na, so it show like a sheet only. Let me show you. See, sheet 3, sheet 3. So in case if you want to change this thing, you want to bold it or else like that you want to do means, okay, you want to change the in position. Okay, let me change this thing onto the line chart only. Line chart. Okay, select this area. Let me bold this thing. Let me increase the sizes of this thing line chart. If we want to add the color means, okay. Let me add the green color. Okay. Okay. See, line chart. So this is so, guys, in the tooltip I have been said now, we can able to add the visuals also have been set, right? So here itself, I will add this line chart, okay? So 1 minute. So so 1 second, guys. Okay, let me type here. Okay, insert. Let me add this sheet, okay? We can able to add, if we want to add the sheet means, okay, we can able to add the sheet also. Or insert. Okay, 1 minute. So here itself it needs to show to add, okay? Option is disabled. Let me check, okay? We'll check it on the tooltip. So let me create some other charts, guys. So line chart, bar charts we have in. So we can able to create a lot of things. Let me stop these things here itself, the line and bar. Okay. So we have the multiple things, right? Okay. We can able to create the bar plus line chart also. Okay. How we can able to create the bar and line chart means, let me show you. Order data on the columns, okay? And this sales we have, sales or profits or like that, okay? Sales. Let me add it here. Let me make it is into this month only. Let it be like that, okay? In case if you want to add the multiple things means, okay? Change here itself, okay? Want to change the bars means bars it. If you want to make it is into area means area chart, okay? If you want to change this thing into the circles means, okay, you can able to check it. See, cluster chart. This can be called as a clusters. Okay. Region map we don't get it because we don't using this geographical data. Na? That's why. So in case if you want to change this type shape means, see, here itself we have the shapes also. Stars like that. Customize according to your need, guys. Okay. Let me make it easy. This can be considered as a cluster chart, circle chart like that. Okay. So this is how we can able to add this thing. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. 1 minute, guys. Okay. Let me add this thing. So in case if you want to create some other charts means, okay, we have the dual chart, pie chart. Okay. Lollipop. Let me add this single visual and dual visuals, guys. Okay. Before getting into the some advanced charts, okay. Let me explain some of the axes, okay. 1 minute. Okay. Hide this thing. Okay. Individually, we have, if you want to going for the advanced charts means, okay, we need to know about this axis, okay. We have this dual axis, single axis, okay. So, individual axis means on every, let me create the thing, then you will get an idea. 1 minute, let me start with this order date only, okay. Order date here, okay. Sales only here, okay. See, it can be the sum axis, the single axis, okay. Okay, single axis. Let me duplicate this thing. If you want to add this multiple individual axis on the chart means, okay, simply I have been added the sales. If I've been adding the profit means, okay, here one more line is going to be created at the bottom, okay. See, profits, okay. If you want to add this discount means, see, one more thing, okay. In case if you want to add this discount profit quantity, we will add one more, okay. See, multiple, this can be the individual. See, this is the one individual axis, okay. This thing sales, this is the one, okay. So in case if you want to change on the each type means, okay, don't make it is into the all for this automatic, because all line chart only it has been created. If you want to change on everything means, okay, simply select the sales, okay, this sales tab. We can able to call this thing as a right now tab, okay. Whole is the mark shelf. On the mark shelf, we have one tab. Sales tab. On the sales tab, it has been line chart, okay. If you want to change the bar graph means make it into the bar, okay. See, sales only has been changed. Let me make this profit into the sum area, okay. Let's see area chart, okay. If you want to change this discount for this, okay, circles means, okay, make it into the circles, or else square also we can able to add, okay, but the circle is more flexible. See, standard entire view, I'll make it into the entire view, not affecting. So I'll make this thing into the months. So let me check, okay. We created for the months means how effective that looks like. See, this is the multiple things, guys, okay. Individual, every individual, it's been creating the individual things, okay, step by step. So this is the one type, okay. If you want to combine the two visuals onto the single visual, and if you want to create one more chart means, okay, we need to create dual axis, okay. Dual axis, by using the dual axis we need to create the chart, okay. How we can able to create the dual axis also, let me show you, okay. So simple only. So 1 minute, guys. So let me take this subcategories, okay. Columns or rows, okay. Or else simply let me add this thing. Cells, it has been created now, okay. Let it be. So this is the one, okay. Individual is single axis only. If you want to add one more visual means, okay, let me add here itself. I have been added the sales now profit, okay. See, it can be the dual axis, okay. Two different charts, okay. I want to combine these two things into the single visual means, okay. See, right click on the profit, you may able to see this dual axis, okay, button. It will merge everything into the single one, okay. It has been measured everything into the single one, okay. So if you want to change the type of the two things means, okay, simple, select this thing. Let me make this sales into the bar graphs, okay. Okay. Or else let me make it this thing into this, see, here itself we got, let me make this into the line chart means how, see, let me swap these things, see. This is the some type of advanced visuals, guys, okay. So combining the two visuals into the single visual, okay. See, profit line.
Can you
See,
explain again that combining part?
okay, combining partner. Okay, simple. Again, let me show you subcategory, okay. Here, sales here. Here we having the one visual, individual, single, okay. In case if you want to add the multiple things, if you want to create the advanced visual means, okay, we need to have the two fields, okay. So if you simply by using the two fields, we can't able to create. If we want to create means like this we will get, okay, step by step, or else here I have been created the side by side chart, right, where itself side by side I have been shown, this is side by side, like this we will get, okay. So in case if you want to create like this advanced things means, okay, again we will add one more thing, okay. Here I have been added the sales now. Let me add this profit, okay. Profit, say two different things, but we want to have everything in the single only, okay. Here I have been created the chart, but by having this thing we not able to get the proper insights now. So we'll combine everything. Right click on the profit, click on this dual axis, okay. See, it has been created one chart, okay, because it is in the all means automatic. That's why it has been created like this. Okay, I don't want like this. Okay, I want to customize the things. I want to make the sales, all the sales into the bar graphs. Make it is into the bar. Okay, see, again, if you want to change the color type means, okay, change it into the color type blue. So like this, let me change profit. I will make it is into the line. Okay, but it is not more affecting. Okay, that's why I have been swap this thing for more effective. Okay, see, let me add the data labels. See, okay, so this is how we can able to add. Okay, in case if you want to synchronize, here we getting the 300K, here we getting this 50K. Na? See, it is the one dual axis for the profit. It can be the 350K, can be the sales, right? See, one axis is second axis, two different dual axis. This is called dual axis. Okay, so if you see here,
I have a question. Just go to that slide. Here, for the labels, profit it is showing, but whereas sales it is not showing. How to get the labels for the sales?
but sales, na, if you've been adding this sales means, okay, here sales, add the data labels. Okay, see,
Okay.
here I have
Okay.
been now on only for this profit only. That's why it's been showing. Okay,
Mhm.
sales labels, add it. Okay, see,
Oh, great. Thank you.
like this. But see, the values, this one horizontal ones are this profits, this vertical ones are like this is sales. Okay, let me hide this thing right now because
Can we change
getting
the
a lot.
position of the labels like horizontal and vertical?
Change na, it is giving because that type we have been swapped this thing na, right?
No,
That's
the
why it is
value
get
position, value position. I'm
value
asking you.
value positions alignments we can able to change. Okay, from the middle,
Okay.
here we have, see,
Mhm. Okay.
here
Fine.
click on this labels. Okay, 1 minute, here itself we have
Yeah,
been
their alignment
taken
is
na
there. Sure, sure.
alignment. Where is the alignment? Okay, see, middle. Okay, side. Okay, position. Okay, see, here itself vertical, some reverse.
Oh, yes. Thank
Okay,
you. Yeah.
and here itself we have the positions also, so you need to customize it. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so this is so 1 minute. Okay, created na the two. This is how we can able to add. Okay, but check. Okay, this is 300 is the one axis. This 50K is the second axis. Okay, this is the dual axis. Okay, if I want to synchronize everything into the single thing means, okay, right click on it. Here we have the synchronize axis. Okay, everything is going to be the 300 only now. See, it has been, but the graph is not properly getting. See, check. Like that, guys. If you want to synchronize means synchronize, or else simply ignore it. Okay, show them like a dual axis only. Okay, compare with the both. Okay, see, this one, this one. Okay, so this is the some of the advanced graphs, guys. Okay, about how to create the dual axis by using these things means we can like this, we can able to use it. Okay,
Hello, sir. What is the difference between Power BI and Tableau? Because even Power BI, we have the
Power,
same kind of
yes, yes.
reports generation.
Same Power BI, we've been creating the reports. Tableau also, we've been creating the reports. Okay, so by comparing to that Power BI, okay, why we need to use this Tableau means, okay, charts, guys. Okay, see, here itself we have the multiple charts. Here itself we will customize the different charts, right? Additional, multiple by Power BI we have only the limited charts only. Okay, we can able to create the advanced, but we need to download some advanced charts and we need to use. Okay, but here itself, according to our requirement, we can able to create the different charts. Okay, but in this Power BI, in this Tableau, we don't have this Power Query. Okay, to write the calculator. to clean the data. If you want to clean the data means we don't have the source, okay? First we need to clean our own data and we need to use it, okay? But in this Power BI, okay, we have this Power Query. So by using the Power Query, we can able to clean our data, everything, okay? So this is the some basic difference. Basic both are the reporting and visualization tool only, okay? But some companies will choose this thing, some companies will choose Power BI basing upon their requirement, okay? Budget also. By comparing this Tableau, that will be the less in cost, Power BI. But here, if you want to use this Tableau means we need to use this Tableau server, Tableau prep, Tableau reader. Okay, lot of many tools we need to pay and we need to use it. But Power BI, everything has been integrated. Power Query, Power this service means here we have the server. There in the Power BI we have the service. Okay, this is some of the difference. Okay.
Sir, can we able to create a dashboard with this Power
Okay,
Tablet?
so already it's been 2 hours now. So let me stop these charts, guys. Let me create the dashboard. Okay. Already we have been created now.
So I have one
Ah,
question. So if we want to like depending on a sales, like the automatic dynamic color should change of a profit. So is it possible with this chart, dual axis, like for the
to for
dynamically it
this
get changed?
yes, dynamically na. So
Yeah,
dynamically
like if
means
this
colors the end users can't able to change. Okay, but
like
we need
for
to
the higher profits it should reflect differently. If I
1 minute
if these
here.
yeah
Here
yep
tabs we have na, sales tab, profit tab. Okay,
hmm
sales tab I want to change the color means, okay, let me make it is into this orange, let make it is into the green. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, let me add this sales. Okay, sales only I will add here. See, okay,
okay yeah all right
let me add this profit. Okay, let me add this profit here. Okay, let me change this color type. Okay, see, you getting
right
this
sir
now? Let me add
yes sir
this color, edit color. For you, it is small one. Let me make it is into this thing. Let me add green, red, green diverging. Okay. Let me make it is into the entire view. Okay, so it is visible for you. See,
hmm.
sales also we getting the lowest sales light color, the highest sales dark blue in color. See, for the profit also. Okay, less profit we have this orange color, the highest profit we getting this see dark green color. Here itself we have 55,000. Okay, customer basing upon the requirement. Okay, so I think so this many charts it's enough, guys. Creating the charts we can able to create the multiple charts, you know. So this is how we can able to create that this many charts. Okay, so if you want to create the dashboard means we can able to create the dashboard also. See, for adding the charts I am clicking this button. If you want to create the dashboard means here itself we have the button. Okay, directly click on it. Okay, so here we have one more button, story. Okay, so guys, worksheet means, okay, for every worksheet we can able to create only a single visual. Okay, so if we've been using this dashboard means, okay, we can be able to have the multiple sheets. Okay, single sheet worksheet we have only one chart. For a dashboard we have the multiple sheets. Okay, multiple charts. For the story we can able to have the dashboard plus sheets. Okay, so I will let me make it this things. Let me say change the size. Okay, okay. So let me make it like this. Okay, dashboard size. Okay, so there are a lot of things, guys, about the changing positions like that. Okay, so here we have the tiled and floating. Na, tiled means fixed. Okay, it gives some space here like that only, specific space. Okay, to add everything. See, on left to right like that only we getting. Okay, But if you've been using this float button means, okay, wherever we want to place it, we want to customize it, we can able to customize. See, I want to here. Let me remove these things. Make it isn't a floated only. Let me add this thing, okay? My requirement. I will add here itself, okay? Let me add like this, okay? The bar. In case if you want to remove means this one, remove it, okay? Remove it. Let me add this thing here. Okay. See, in case if you see here itself we have na. So in case if you want to have this thing means, okay, filter means filter, or else remove it, okay? Right now, only for reference only. Let me quickly create this thing, guys. Dashboard. So here we have one more thing. Let me add here this thing. Okay. How to create the thing? I'm showing. Okay. Okay. So this is how we can able to basing upon the requirement. Okay. Right. Okay. Hello. For the time being, I'm not properly creating my dashboard. Just only for the reference only, na. So like that, just drag and drop these things, guys. Okay. So we'll right now this is the dashboard only, but it is not looking good because of the timing have not been created properly. So this is how we can able to add the sheets, everything, guys. Okay, to create the dashboard. So if you want to share the dashboard, see, we've been using the public version, na? So in case if you want to download and if you want to share means, okay, it will directly post, share to the Tableau public, okay, the online server. So anybody can able to download and view it, okay. In case if you want to save it means, again it will share publish to the server only, okay. Let me save this Tableau public, okay. 1 minute before, this is sheet, this is the dashboard, na. Let me explain the use case of this thing also. Story means for the presenting, guys, okay. You want to give the presentation, means, okay, we can able to add it, okay. Let me add this thing, okay. One sheet. Let me add this one more sheet, okay. Let me add one more sheet, just placing at the here, okay, at the bottom. Let me add this thing also, okay. Let me add this thing. Sheets, I've been adding the sheets now. Let me add this dashboard, okay. Dashboard also we have been created now. For the presentation, guys, okay. You want to present means sheets. If you want to download it means you can able to download it also. This is the view for the presentation. Step by step, we can able to explain all the charts. At the end, we've been explaining whole the dashboard, okay. As a BA, we need to explain this dashboard. Okay. So let me create like this, okay. So if you want to publish the dashboard means, okay. If you want to share your dashboard means, first you need to save it, guys, okay. File, save to Tableau public. Hide this floating meeting. Okay. It is asked for the mail. Let me type this thing. The student mail. Sign in. It takes 5 minutes. Just a few minutes only it takes. Let it be.
Sir,
First,
if we add data on regular basis, so in these charts will update automatically, or we need to do some process for that?
Hello.
No, Vinay, your voice is not audible.
Voice
It's
is
not
not
clear.
audible. It's breaking.
So it's audible now? Hello?
Yes. Some better.
Uh,
1 minute, Vinay. Just a minute. So I have been saved the file now. Let me make it is into this date only. Let me make it is this dashboard name. Let me make it this date only. 7/7/24 I will giving. Just the file name. Save it, okay? See, it is been publishing, guys, okay? Where you can able to see this file means, okay? Let me show you, okay? See, space, estimated time, everything it's been giving. So I think so it has been published, okay? See, directly it is opening. That's online version, okay? See, before that, while jumping the tool, I have been guided now on this online how to create a viz. See, there itself it been showing. See, today 7/7 it has been showed. See, all the sheets list also we got. See, anybody want to practice means okay. Simply they will download this file.
Sir,
Okay,
can
they will
we have
practice.
this?
Okay.
Sorry to interrupt. Can we
Hmm.
have this presentation? I mean, whatever that we have done, this file name 7/7/2024 on our own desktops, or it will be there in the
Ah,
public server?
yes. Public server it will be there. And if you want to download for your own desktop means you need to download it. Okay.
Acha,
See,
okay.
image, data, PDF to PowerPoint. Tableau work means same like an TBX file, it will be say, okay, the file format, okay. See, let me make it is into TBX and download it, okay. See, in case if you want to practice on this particular sheet means, okay, I will share this file means simply you can able to practice it, okay. This is how. See, sheet, okay. Okay, let it be like that only, sheet, file. If I want to download in the PDF file means okay. Okay, let it be download. Let me make it in the download. See,
Sir,
PDF
please,
file also. Hello.
sir, please share this Excel sheet no with us.
Yes. Give me at the end. I will share. Okay. See,
The raw
file has
data,
been
the one which we are practicing on, no, that
and
raw data.
where you where you can able to get this data sets also. Let me guide you. Okay. See, downloaded now the sheets. Okay. Let me open. Let me show you. Experience letter. 1 minute, guys. Somebody using my laptop. Okay. See the file, okay? If you directly, 1 minute, guys, let me close this file. Directly, if I've been shared this file means, okay? If you double click on means, okay? Directly, it will load the data. It will show you the charts, everything, okay? See sheets, okay? See everything, data set, everything has been in this sheet only, okay? So this is the use of this file, okay? Right now, I don't want to save it again. If you save it in the PDF file, means see all the charts in the PDF format. Yeah, but it has been there. Saved only one chart. It will save all the charts. Okay, if you've been downloading. So like that. Okay. So 1 minute. Let me explain that things also. So I am not using the tool now. Let me check. Okay, is it been published in the server? See Tableau public. Okay. Open my thing, my profile, okay? Scroll down, see 7/7/2024. See, today I have been done na. It been showing, okay? Again, here itself also you can able to practice, okay? If you double click on it means, okay, directly it will open here itself. How people are using all the charts and dashboards means like this only, guys, okay? Even they can able to share also, they can able to download it, they can able to edit also, okay? So it depends. So guys, this is how we can able to download and share and publish these reports. Okay. So guys, how you can able to find the data sets means, okay, simple. Learn, okay, sample data. Note the path, okay, guys. I will share this file also, but I am guiding where you can able to find the multiple data sets. Tableaupublic.com. Same path, learn, sample data. Okay. Learn sample data, sample data. If you click on the sample data means, see, here itself we have the lot of data sets. Okay. I have been using this sample superstore sales only. Okay. The data set. If you click on the data set means it's will see XLX file, CSV file. Okay. Some different file for PDF file also we have. There are many data sets where if you want to practice on the different data sets means practice, but go through the sample superstore data only, guys, okay, because it will be the very lengthy data set. And in case if you've been stuck at any point, if you want to have some suggest recordings or some other videos means, okay, if you search on the YouTube means on this simple sample superstore data set, some charts means, okay, you will get some dashboards while creating this chart, okay, this data set. So use it, okay, wisely. So guys, let me share this file, okay, please download it. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, 1 minute. Screenshot this file. Waiting group chat. Just be listening. Guys, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
have been sent the data set, okay. 1 minute, it's loading. I will share one file also, guys. So you can able to use that file also.
So can we have some assignments like to work upon different kind of cases or what
Assignments.
you have told today? Yeah.
Assignments, it depends upon your practice, okay, because assignments means if you're digging means we get a lot of concepts. So if you want to practice means you can able to practice, okay, because
So for
we be not
queries,
taking
can
the
we
well.
connect with you?
Connect means not on this nurturing sessions you can able to connect, okay, individually
Okay.
we can't able to connect. Guys,
So
1 minute, download this
so
data set also, this file. 1 minute. Hello. You can able to ask, okay.
so one more question. So can we have like animations or other such things into our reports?
We can able to have, okay, like only one visual only we can able to create, okay, like animation chart. So I will show that chart, okay. 1 minute.
Yep.
So the second file is
Already
about what, sir?
huh
Second file which is shared, different character
these are the
charts.
different charts, okay.
Okay, okay.
1 minute, because we have the limited time only now, already it's been 2 hours, right? That's why already I have been created one chart. See my screen, guys. Later you can able to use it. Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah.
One minute, 1 minute. So same, this file only I have been shared, okay. Okay. Let us 1 second, guys. Basic one only, because here itself I have been shown about this customizations. Okay. How many charts we will have? Only here I have only created some charts only, okay. But if you observe, here we have some KPIs, okay. Butterfly chart. Hmm? See, multiple things I have been given. So waterfall chart, histograms, one measure. It is also histogram only, okay. See, map. Map easy, only we need to have the longitude and horizontal geographical data, okay? If you just hover and place here means you will get an visual, okay? Simple only. Staked bubble chart, matrix. For the time being, this one not being discussed, but same only, okay? So I have been shared the file now. So see, on the line chart only we have, see, this one, staked area chart plus staked line area chart, staked area chart, lollipop means I have been shown the line plus bar na dual axis, same only dual axis. Here itself we have line chart, axis. Some are not useful, some are useful for you, okay?
Yes. So,
See,
Yogendra, this was the complete Tableau session, right? So next Sunday we will be having the different tool session.
yes, you're
And
having the different.
okay, and if you want to attend this Tableau once again, then when can that be session would be?
For the next time again, okay? For the next month, okay?
Okay, next month. Okay, so next Sunday, which would be the session tool session there?
Next session, I need to check the schedule, okay? Because I haven't been seen.
Okay.
But there will be Sunday one more session. I think so. It's a Power BI only.
Okay.
Mostly, I will take all the tools, but right now I've been not taking.
Okay, no worries. And
Yeah.
Yogendra, for every tool session, there would be 2 hours of session, and
It depends, okay?
it depends.
Some
Okay.
people will explain only 1 hour, 1 hour. Some people can explain 2 hours. Sometimes I will take 3 to 4 hours also.
Okay,
It
and
depends.
okay, it depends on tool and it depends on the mentor also. Ki how
Mentor
much
also.
time they will take to complete the whole session, right?
Yes, yes.
So in only
Hello.
one
Sorry.
session, the tool will be completed.
Only why means okay. It's not a full to end you've been not learning, right? Only awareness only, na, right? That's why. In the meantime, how much they can able to load, they
Okay.
can able to explain, they much explain, okay? Because in the COPD, they not been explaining from end to end because for only one tool only, it takes months of time, so, okay, to learn. That is the scenario, but just they're giving the basic awareness about the tool, okay? How the tool works, why you
Can we
need to
get
use
the
the
Zoom
tool.
recording?
Yes, I have been recorded, okay?
Where
Still
we
it
will
is
get
in
this
the
recording?
yes, it will be shared in the portal, okay? Not portal, in the channel, YouTube channel. So let me stop the recording, guys, and we will discuss, okay?
Sir, we have seen the oldest recording.